Hey, yo, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Chris Emilo, and welcome back to another episode of Life in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. First of all, I want to sincerely apologize to those of you that has been waiting for me to do videos. I've been waiting for my updates, visa issue, blah 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 and blah. Guys, I'm very sorry I haven't posted for a very long time. I think it's up to 3 weeks I've not posted anything. That is because man they hustle, man they busy. Alright? But I decided to take my time to do this video because there has been a lot of things that can actually put people into trouble without them knowing it. A lot of things that can actually get you arrested without you actually knowing that that particular thing that you are doing is against the law or is also a crime. Because whatever thing that you are doing that is against the law is a crime. All right? Whatever thing that you are doing that is against the law is a crime. So, and it's unfortunate that most of us commit this crime unknowingly. Most of us break this law unknowingly. And at the end, when we get apprehended or when we get arrested, we'll start be asking ourselves, what did we do? All right? Now, starting from this particular story, guys, I want you guys to listen. And please, if you're watching me for the first time, my name is Chris Emilo, and in this channel, we discuss about we teach people how to be legal. We teach people how to do their legal stuff in UAE. If you have visa issue, if you have passport issue, if you want to make inquiry about passport renewal, if you want to make inquiry about visas, this is what the channel is all about, teaching you what you can do to stay legal and stay out of trouble. All right? Now, this story, I decided to make this video when a friend of mine contacted me, and asked me about a contact of a friend of mine or another friend of mine who is a legal consultant, and they were talking about police issue. All right. Now, before I go further with this video, I want you guys to listen because this is a voice note. I want you guys to listen very carefully. All right, listen to this very carefully, and once we are finished listening to it, I will come back and explain more about things that you can do that you don't even know that is against the law, because most things that you do normally in other places you feel like is also normal to do it here, but trust me, it can get you into trouble because every country has rule and regulation and their law is very strict. All right, so it's better you start learning how to follow the law than just feeling like you can do anything you want. All right, now I want you guys to listen to this, and when I am back, I'm going to explain more. My name is Chris Emilo. Don't forget to like this video. If you're watching me for the first time, like this video, click that like button. And if you are just watching me also for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. If you're already part of my family, the only thing you have to do is just like, put down a comment at the comment section. This particular video needs to go far because a lot of people need this message. Now, let's go and watch the video.
Sir Chris, good morning. Yeah, you sent somebody to us to bail a friend out. The application for bailout was rejected. Even before we signed the power of attorney for a lawyer to handle our case, it was rejected because they had so many cases against her, and the cases were not written down for any lawyer to see because they didn't want anybody to handle the case. They just wanted her to be deported. So they ruled against the case even before they could go to court or anything. One, reason being that she was found in the midnight. Two, snapping picture with somebody's car without permission. Three, it was said that they offered money to her. The CID offered money to her, unknown to her that it was the CID. They offered money to her, and we don't know whether she accepted it or not, but that was one of their complaints, that they offered money to her, which makes it look like she's a prostitute. Then another one is the way she was dressed. When they confronted her, she had an argument with them, and the final one, she's a Nigerian. So all this put together They just wanted to. They just all they want for her is just to be deported. Yes, because too many things for one person. Not like if they just saw a snapping picture or snapping picture at night or stuff. Everything put together, they refuse to open up a case against her, because for a lawyer to handle a case for anybody, first there has to be a case, and there have to be a case number. All this we try to do and it's proved abortive. All they wanted is just for her to be deported. So right now what we are doing for her is to see when she'll be deported and how to help her. Though she's refusing deportation right now because she has refused to submit her documents. But anyways, we are still trying our best to see what we can do for her. But with the UAE government, the only thing that they wish for her is for her to go back to her country.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Life in Dubai with Emilo. Now, guys, you listen to this video. Very minor, very simple case. All right, very simple case. Now, this is the story. You're going to take a picture on somebody's vehicle without the person's permission, and you know that it's against the law because it's somebody's property. If you want to take a picture with something that is not your own, you have to take a permission from the owner of that thing. Secondly, the most important part of this is that your dress code identify who you are. That's why they say your appearance is your appearance is just who you are. Do you understand? It's who you are. Sure you get. I cannot speak funny because funny not my own. Now, according to what this lady said, according to the report, the dress code, red flag, taking pictures on some. If it's just taking pictures, it might be considered. But the most worst part of it is showing them that you are right, like you want to exchange word with a law, how did they put them? A law what? Law officer or what? How there's something they just call it in English. But trust me, I don't be English person. But you try to exchange word with a police officer, all right, arguing with them, it's another offense. So just for taking pictures, you have attracted a lot of problem to yourself. So sometimes the reason for this video, sometimes before you do things in this country, ask questions. You want to place something here, ask question. Is it the right way to place it so that I will not break the law? Do you understand? If you want to take this step, you have to ask questions. Is this place I'm going to step? Are you sure it is not against the law? Because in the country, when there's law and order, you need to ask questions. I remember when I came to this country the first time, when people they brainwash me, say, if you look at person, blah, blah. When I come and respect myself, if I see anybody, I go just do like this. If I see, I go just do like this, they will come on my own. Do you understand? Because of what? I don't want to, until I became okay, I became exposed and I realized that it's not actually what people are saying. Do you understand? Ask questions. When we come into this country, we don't have nobody for Facebook or Facebook group or even that is advising anybody like this. At that time, the only Facebook group or WhatsApp group that you're going to see is those kind of WhatsApp group that you'll be seeing job, come with your luggage, scamming people up and down. That is the only WhatsApp group that you're going to see at that our stage. Nobody can advise us on what to do. Now we have people like us, me, Emilo, you have Mazio Joto, we have Mr. Fernando. A lot of social media has come up and it's all to impart knowledge and understanding to different African communities in UAE, the Nigeria communities, the Cameroon communities, and other Africa communities in UAE. Now it is time for you, instead of you to use this common energy that you have to insult me in this video, ask questions. So now that is for the number one. Let's go for the number two. The number two thing that can get you into problem, where is the place that you are staying right now? Do you understand? The main reason why I made this video is for the stage one, this voice note. But let's just touch the area you stay, the place you go to, you they go bar, you get visa. Now, for the most worst thing is this. You no get visa. You no get you are in overstay. You dey abscond. Now only you no get bus card. You see they enter public bus where you no get bus card. Now, when they caught you, do you know that it's automatically home that you are going? Automatically. At least if you no get visa, show a sign of responsibility. The sign of responsibility, it is not that you no get visa be say you no wan get the visa, but you no get visa because there is something that happened that made you not to be able to have a visa when you're supposed to have it. Now you don't have a bus card. It simply means that you don't even want to do anything legal. You don't have visa, you don't have a bus card. You don't need Emirate ID to register bus card. So at least try to get a bus card, especially if you don't have visa. At least load your bus card. Do you understand? These are the little things that normally implicate you. I know life is hard, things is hard. Do you understand? No, everybody is finding it very difficult right now. But can you do the little right that you can do? And that little right is those ones that you know that you can do. Even being illegal, you can also do it right. Do that particular one and save yourself. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Emilo. I'm not here to talk too much today. This is what I just say. Let me just preach today. Let me come as a gospel preacher. I'm done with that. And thank you guys. If you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also follow me for other videos that I am working on. All right? So if you have an opinion, you are free to comment your opinion at the comment section without insult. But if you want to insult, no wahala. I not be handed to the type. No wahala. Everybody fit type. Do you understand? So, but let's be reasonable and speak politely. My name is Emilo. Don't forget to click that like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and invite friends. Come back and watch more videos. I have done street quiz. I've done a lot of things. If you want to know inquiry about how to renew your passport, if you need a special assistance or how to go about it, you can reach out to me. I can assist you. All right? So my name is Emilo. Peace and God bless.